Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Optima SX Turbo. The car's a demonstrator unit, being an SX, loaded up with all the features. We have a panoramic sunroof, signal repeaters, alloy wheels. The fog lights are we call them Ice Cube. Has LED lights all over the place. Absolutely gorgeous car, done up in white with black and chrome accents. Also has a 2-liter engine, as I previously mentioned, turbo charged, and also a 6-speed automatic transmission. So let's take a look down this car and have a look. First thing, when we open the door, we have a driver's memory seat. We have power windows, locks, and mirrors. We have lane departure, and we also have rear cross traffic alert. Button to control the dashboard lights. Going down a little bit further, the gas filler, the trunk release, and the traction control. Fairly low kilometers for a demo unit, only 9,818. Steering wheel has audio and cruise controls, as well as other buttons for functions within the car. Stepping inside the car, the radio. The car has navigation, and also a 3-month trial of Sirius XM radio will come with the car, so you get to try out all those 100 channels and pick the ones you enjoy the most. The car also, of course, has backup camera. Going down a little bit further, we have the dual climate control, and there's a push button start up there in the upper left. Of course, auxiliary and USB inputs for the radio and the 12-volt charging ports. Coming back a little bit further, we have more buttons. We have a heated steering wheel. We have heated and cooled leather front seats. We have an electric parking brake and a drive mode control, as well as the shifter for that automatic transmission I mentioned. One thing I didn't mention is the car has paddle shifters, the negative for down, the positive for shifting up the gears. As we look up, we see that gorgeous panoramic sunroof. Has some beautiful red stitching on the seats with the SX emblem, as well as some of the other stitching. Driver's seat is powered. One more thing, there is a Harmon Kardon audio system in the car for that absolutely gorgeous sound when you're playing that Sirius XM radio. In the back, we have more leather seats. You can put 3 people back here in comfort. Back seats are also heated on both sides. There's a 12-volt port and also a USB port for charging your devices. Going a little bit further back in the car. Rather large trunk. If you're going to drive an Optima SX, you probably want to do a little bit of road time with it. So you'll be able to carry some suitcases, some sports equipment, perhaps some outdoor gear, maybe even some kid stuff. Lots of room back here for anything. The SXT badging. T is for turbo, the GDI is for gas direct injected, which is a form of feeding fuel to the engine. Taking a walk up the passenger side of the car. Yes, the passenger seat is also powered. Also has the proximity key sensor in the door handle, so when you get close with that key, those buttons activate and you can open the door. This is absolutely gorgeous 2019 Optima SX, loaded with every feature imaginable. I also noticed some Brembo Brakes down there, if you notice the red in the wheels. So it does have Brembo Brakes. Absolutely gorgeous 2019 Optima SX, done up in white with black and chrome accents. Available at West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 on Friday, Saturday. And we're open 11 to 5 Sundays and most holidays, so come on down. Take this Optima SX out for a drive. Do a little bit of spirited driving with it. See how well it performs with that 2-liter turbo. If you happen to have children, bring the children along, bring the car seats down, check them out, put them inside, see how well they fit. Our salespeople would be happy to assist you. Again, that's West Coast Kia in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge.